What's up guys, Los here, and welcome to another episode of potentially, like I said, I might be naming this thing Keto Thoughts. So thought bubbles will pop up and stuff like that. We might change the name, I don't know. Overall, we're talking about keto. One of the big things that people are hitting us up about with this show and stuff that we're doing is, hey, what's the difference between keto and Atkins? It's like the same thing, right? No, it's actually not at all the same thing in any way, shape, or form. So with keto, the big thing is that you're having 75% fat in your diet, okay? And then you're having about 15% protein, and the rest is carbohydrates. Atkins does totally different things. Atkins has you consume a fair amount of protein, very, very low carbohydrates, and yes, higher fat. If you did that on the ketogenic diet and you had more protein, you would actually get kicked out of ketosis and you would fall into something that is called ketoacidosis, which basically kicks you out of ketosis and is not amazing for you. So one of the best things to do is kind of like decide, because keto might not be for you. Listen, keto's not for everyone, right? Like sometimes I go in between keto, I go kind of just higher fat. I'm always kind of trying to stick higher fat in intermittent fasting. It just works for me. You need to try what's best for you. So try the ketogenic diet. I think you're gonna like it. I think you're gonna feel great about it. And then if that's not something that you can live on and it's not sustainable, maybe move into more of a modified Atkins where you are reintroducing protein, you're reintroducing a little bit of carbs, maybe some timed carbs, different things like that, and then see which one works for you. Okay, is it keto? Is it Atkins? Which one is it? Let us know in the comments what you like, why you like which one, and then we'll see you guys on the next video.